You can win Nanowrimo without 50k if you achieve these 3 things right, even applicable to those who are yet to participate. If you're watching after November end, you may have already achieved these things by accident. The second one may sound against this set expectations. And bonus tips are saved for the last, so make sure you stick around till the very end. In case you're unaware, NaNoWriMo stands for National Novel Writing Month, where writers from all over the world attempt to write 50k words, aka one book in 30 days. Attempt to, but are they successful? Yes and no. The primary goal of reaching 50k words in a month sounds good. Point 1. I did a Google search. What is the real essence of NaNoWriMo? And here's what appeared on its website. You can pause to read it. Moral message point 1. Winning and losing is a part of the game. 50k or no 50k, something is better than nothing. Point 2. I may be the only one to say this, but writing every day is not compulsory. The goal is 50k a month. If you give yourself some grace days where you accidentally miss your writing session, don't regret and self-doubt your potential. Every day is the new opportunity. Bonus point 1. Don't pressurize yourself. Don't be overwhelmed. Remember this. If you lose your mind at one lost day, you will lose more days. Point 3. Change of mindset. For you, what is the real victory by winning NaNoWriMo? Reaching 50k or getting into the habit of writing every day? Bonus point 2. You start looking forward to writing every day, or better titled as Write What You Love, Love What You Write. As per my understanding, NaNoWriMo is meant to make you want to write your book, to go for it every day, to build a daily writing habit. And if you write what you love, you will be able to look forward to it every day. And for more tips on drafting fast in the next video on my channel. So make sure you subscribe for more writing motivation and technique videos. Bonus point 3. You are better at your writing than you were before. If before November you didn't write a word and now you wrote 30 to 40k, you have won without reaching 50k. And you should be proud of yourself. The numerical goal is just a number, and this is just one draft out of the many drafts that you will write to polish your book before it's published.